In the bustling town of Harmonyville, nestled amidst towering buildings and vibrant parks, lived a group of extraordinary kids. Lily, the imaginative artist, Noah, the science whiz, Emma, the compassionate animal lover, and Alex, the tech-savvy innovator. Together, they were known as the Harmonyville Heroes, always ready to lend a helping hand and spread joy in their community. One sunny afternoon, as the Harmonyville Heroes were enjoying their usual spot at the park, they noticed a peculiar sight, a tiny glowing creature hovering above a patch of flowers. Intrigued, they cautiously approached, their hearts pounding with excitement. The creature, upon sensing their presence, introduced itself as Twinkle, a friendly alien from a distant galaxy. Twinkle explained that it had crash-landed on Earth after its spaceship encountered a meteor shower. The Harmonyville Heroes, always eager to help, immediately offered assistance. Lily, with her artistic flair, designed a makeshift spaceship using discarded cardboard boxes, colorful markers, and a sprinkle of imagination. Noah, armed with his scientific knowledge, devised a propulsion system using recycled batteries, wires, and a dash of ingenuity. Emma, with her love for animals, gathered soft blankets and pillows to create a comfortable nest for Twinkle. And Alex, utilizing his tech expertise, programmed a GPS tracker to help Twinkle find its way back home. With their combined efforts, the Harmonyville Heroes successfully repaired Twinkle's spaceship. As Twinkle prepared to depart, it expressed its gratitude for their kindness and friendship, promising to return one day. News of the Harmonyville Heroes' heroic act spread like wildfire throughout the town. Everyone praised their bravery, creativity, and teamwork. The kids, overwhelmed by the attention, decided to use their newfound popularity to make a positive impact on Harmonyville. Lily organized an art workshop to brighten up the town's drab walls with vibrant murals. Noah established a nature club to teach kids about environmental conservation. Emma set up an animal shelter to provide care for stray animals, and Alex launched a community website to connect people and share local news and events. The Harmonyville Heroes, once ordinary kids, had become beacons of hope and inspiration, proving that even the smallest acts of kindness could have a ripple effect, transforming their community into a place of harmony and happiness.